The human brain. It's soft, silent, and weighs just around 3 pounds. Yet somehow, it holds your personality, your memories, your emotions, and your ability to think about the fact that you're even thinking. Kind of meta, right? But what's really going on inside your head might shock you. Today on Mind Unlocked, let's explore 5 absolutely mind-blowing facts about the human brain, backed by science, that will completely change the way you think about yourself and your potential. Fact 1. Your brain runs on the same power as a light bulb. That's right. Your brain generates about 20 watts of electrical power, roughly the same as a small light bulb. At every moment, even when you're sleeping, your brain is firing electrochemical signals between about 86 billion neurons. Each signal is tiny, but when billions of them fire every second, you light up, literally. And here's the twist. Your brain, despite all its power, uses only about 2% of your body weight, but consumes 20% of your body's energy. So next time someone says thinking is hard work, they're not wrong. Fact 2. Your brain has more connections than there are stars in our galaxy. Let's go cosmic. The Milky Way contains an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars. That's impressive. But your brain has around 86 billion neurons, and each of those can form up to 10,000 connections with other neurons. That adds up to over 100 trillion synaptic connections. That's more than all the stars in our galaxy, and possibly every galaxy in the visible universe, depending on how you calculate it. Your brain is literally the most complex object we know of, anywhere. Think of it as a living, shifting, self-organizing universe inside your skull. Fact 3. Your brain constantly rewires itself, even right now. Here's a fact that might give you hope. Your brain is not fixed. It changes every day. This is called neuroplasticity. Your brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. That means every time you learn a new skill, practice a habit, or even reflect differently on your past, your brain is physically rewiring itself. And it's not just for kids. Neuroplasticity continues throughout life. It slows with age, yes, but it never truly stops. You are, quite literally, capable of becoming a new version of yourself. Not just mentally, but structurally. Fact 4. Your brain can trick your body, and your body listens. Ever felt nervous just imagining a stressful situation? Your heart races, your palms sweat, even if nothing is really happening. That's not magic. That's the power of your brain over your body. In one experiment, participants simply imagined lifting weights, and after several weeks, they experienced increased muscle strength without touching a single dumbbell. Why? Because mental rehearsal activates the same brain regions involved in real movement. Your body begins to respond as if it's actually training. This is the mind-body connection in action, and it's more powerful than we ever realized. Visualizing success? It's not fluff, it's neuroscience. Fact 5. You don't see reality. You see your brain's version of it. This one might blow your mind the most. You might think your senses give you an accurate picture of the world, but they don't. Not really. Your brain receives raw data, light, sound, texture, taste, and then filters it, edits it, and interprets it through the lens of your past experiences, beliefs, and expectations. That means 2 people can look at the same event and come away with completely different realities. Not because they're wrong, but because their brains are constructing different internal versions of the world. Your reality is, in a way, a controlled hallucination, one that your brain generates just for you. Let that sink in. Closing. The more we learn about the brain, the more we realize how little we truly know. It is our processor, our story maker, our emotion center, our command hub, and it's changing every second. But here's the good news. You are not stuck with the brain you were born with. You can train it, reshape it, and unlock it. And that's exactly what we're here for. If this video gave you something to think about, subscribe to Mind Unlocked. Every week, we dive deeper into psychology, motivation, and the hidden powers of the human mind. Because the brain you feed becomes the brain you live with. Thanks for watching. And remember, your awareness is your power.